Hello, everybody. Welcome to today's session. In today's session, we're going to go over the very basics. What is Forex and how can you make profit from the Forex market? I've been getting this request lately. It seems like I have a lot of new members in my family. And most of them are actually beginner traders, and they actually have requested me to actually do this. So here we are. So for those that are actually experienced traders, please bear with us and enjoy your trade as it reaches TP. For those that don't know what TP is, that means take profit. Cool. So let's get it. So what's Forex trading? Forex trading is actually, first, the word Forex actually refers to the word, is a short term for the word foreign exchange, right? Forex is the short term for foreign exchange. This is the largest market that has the biggest turnover in the whole world. There is no business like the Forex market that has the biggest turnover like the Forex market. That has a big turnover like the Forex market. The Forex market has a turnover of over $6 trillion a day in circulation. Even the New York Stock Exchange doesn't have this much liquidity in circulation in a single day. The Forex market is the largest pool in the world. There's no any other business that has this large circulation of money in a single day as the Forex market. Now, how can you make profit from the Forex market, right? As we've just seen, Forex is the short term for foreign exchange. So basically, that's what it is. You can actually make money by exchanging foreign currencies with one another. Like, do you see this beautiful trade here in front of us? You actually make money by doing trades, right? Exchanging one currency for the other. So for instance, you see this one right here. This is CAD JPY, right? So that means we took a trade on the Canadian dollar against the Japanese yen. One thing you need to understand in the Forex market is that you always are going to be trading one currency against the other. So it's always going to be a currency pair, as in it's one pair against the other. In this particular scenario, we are trading the Canadian dollar against the Japanese yen. We did our technical analysis, and then we believed that the Canadian dollar in the near future, as we took this trade on Tuesday, today is Thursday, we understood like for the rest of this week, the Canadian dollar has the potential of becoming stronger than the Japanese yen. And therefore, we actually bought the Canadian dollars by selling the Japanese yen. Does that make sense? Okay, let me say that again. What you do is that okay, what you do is actually, I'm excited because my trade is hitting take profit. What you do is that you're actually buying one value or one currency pair as it has a low value, anticipating it's going to be of high value in the near future so that you can actually sell it for a higher price and get your profit. So it's like, let's say you're going to a marketplace and you see bananas are being sold at, I don't know, $10, right? With $10, you believe like, okay, if I take these bananas for $10 and then I go back to my street, I can actually sell them for $15, right? If you do that, then you'll make a $5 profit, right? That's the same thing with the Forex market. But the thing with the Forex market is that you don't take dollars and sell them in another place. The thing here that you actually have to do, or that you're trading with, is time, right? So you believe the Canadian dollar, for instance here, we believe that the Canadian dollar throughout this week, if we actually are patient enough, its value will increase. So that means we can actually buy low while it's at a lower price, and then we can actually come to sell it while it's at a higher price. And then the difference in the prices will actually be our profit margin. I hope that makes sense. So that's how you can actually make profits in the Forex market. You buy a currency pair while its value is low, and then once its value increases, you sell that, and then the margin is your profit. Basically, that's it. Buy low, sell high. But it's not your only way that you can actually make money in the Forex market. In the Forex market, you can also sell high and buy low. What does that mean? I'll show you by an example of a trade that we took this morning on Euro USD. It was a quick intraday trade, beautiful intraday trade. You see here, oof, and prices are still pushing lower. Prices are still pushing lower. We just took our profits. We didn't want any disturbance. We don't want to stay long, but the prices are still going lower. It's insane. So you can see this trade here. We actually took this trade this morning, this very morning, believing that this was the Euro USD. So that means we were trading the Euro against the US dollar. So what we believed is that the Euro in the near future will actually be weaker compared to the US dollar, meaning that the US dollar will be stronger than the Euro, right? With that in mind, we did our technical analysis, right? We don't just wake up and say $1 will actually be stronger than the other. You have to do a technical analysis, right? So that means we did our technical analysis, and our technical analysis showed us that the Euro in the near future has the potential of becoming weaker than the US dollar. And that means that we actually sold the Euro by buying dollars. So that means we sell the Euro by buying dollars. And then once prices reach here, we actually exit our trade. So there are two ways you can actually make money in the Forex market. It's by buying low and selling high, right? You buy something while it's at a lower price and then you sell it while its value increases. The second way is by actually selling the price while it's high, believing that, okay, right now prices are very high, right? So it's like, okay, it's like, yeah, let me give another example. Like you believe, let's say you're a livestock you're a livestock farmer. You have cows, you got cows. You know that in the near future, the value of cows will greatly decrease. Let's say one cow goes for $1,000. I don't know the value of cows. This is just an example. The value of a cow is $1,000, but you know tomorrow the value of a cow will be $500, right? Now, what can you do today? You can actually sell your cows for $1,000. Let's say you have 10 cows. You can sell them for $1,000. You'll make $10,000, right? And then tomorrow, once the value of the cows decrease to go to $5,000, you can actually buy them back at $5,000 each, so that you can buy 10 cows for $5,000, which you sold them yesterday for $10,000. Guess what? You'll make $5,000 profit. So that's how the Forex market works. You can buy low and sell high, and then you can sell something while it's at a higher price, and then you buy it back while it's at a lower price. So those are the two ways that you can actually make money in the Forex market. I hope that made sense. Now, how do you go about, knowing what value will increase, what pair or what currency will actually gain strength, what will be weak? That goes in two also separate ways, right? Now, in the Forex market, there are two types of traders, right? There are traders that actually analyze the Forex market through technical analysis, which I happen to be part of. And there are traders that actually analyze the markets through fundamental analysis. All of these are basics. We'll make another video on all of these some other day, but today we are talking about something that is different, right? So here we see there are two main types of traders. The first one are fundamental traders. See this right here, fundamental traders. And then second one are technical traders. So fundamental traders are the traders that actually focus on the bigger geopolitical events, like maybe Trump says something that's politically incorrect, the dollar will become weak. Interest rates in America right now, they're rising. It's crazy. The dollar will be weak. Oh my God. Everybody's panicking. They know the dollar will be weak for a couple of months. Those are fundamental traders. They focus on the geopolitical, all those propagandas. And then there are technical traders that basically focus on the chart. What is the chart doing? When I say the chart, I mean these prices. How is the price moving? Is new structures are being formed, right? Now, on technical, there are a lot of technical analysis out there. There are a lot of technical ways you can analyze the market. My advice, if you are watching this video, I believe you're a newbie, you are a new trader, is that stick with one strategy. There are a lot of strategies out there. Pick one, master it, learn its ins and outs. There is no perfect strategy. I'm just going to break your heart right now and tell you there's no perfect strategy. Learn one, master it, forget the rest. Everybody will be telling you that technical strategy is better. Don't listen to the noise. Stick with one technical strategy. If you are a newbie and you are listening to this right now, I know it may not make sense. I know some of you will actually hear me say this and still learn multiple technical analysis, multiple technical, strategies. But if you stick in the game long enough and you actually come to succeed, you'll remember my words and you'll actually understand why I'm telling you this. And you'll actually wish you listened, because you'll have saved yourself a lot of time. Stick with one technical strategy. There are multiple technical strategies out there. Pick one, learn its ins and outs, everything else, So that's what I can tell you. But as far as technical analysis goes, you can learn multiple technical analysis. I use price action. It's the simplest, no complications, gives me good results in the long run. I love it. Thank you, God, for leveling. Now, I don't even know what I say there. But yeah. I mean, the basics of Forex analysis is that there are two types of, analysis. You can do fundamental analysis, you can do technical analysis, right? For those that are actually traders and are looking to, make it as a full-time thing, I advise you to be technical analysis, or you can actually be both, like I am. On the day-to-day, every day, I obviously focus on technicals, but once there are strong fundamentals coming along the way, I happen to actually analyze them and understand what is the potential of these, fundamentals going to impact the market, so that I can actually be prepared for them and know how I'll actually tackle them, right? But in the long run, obviously, in the day-to-day, I'm obviously a technical analyst, and that's what I do to get my daily bread. So just as a Forex introduction, I think that's all I can say for today. Technicals, that's the way to go. The way you can make money in the markets is by buying low, selling high, or selling high and then buying back low, so that you can make your profit margins. And yeah. So if you'd like me to be talking more, or if you'd like me to go deeper into, the technicals, introductions, my trading strategy, let me know in the comments below what you think, what you want me to teach. If I should go on with the intros, let me know in the comments below, guys. Spread, shout, Till next time, guys. Appreciate you all. If you've watched this video so far, let's look at our CAD JPY trade. It might have hit take profit while we're still talking. It's missed it. Not yet. It hasn't hit take profit yet. No doubt, I know it will hit take profit before New York ends. As you can see, this momentum is still strong. But till next time, guys, appreciate you all. If you're watching until now, I really appreciate you. I love you. So don't forget to subscribe. Remember to turn on that bell notification so that you'll be notified whenever I release content. Till next time, appreciate you. Peace.